All right, so once again, we've been digging through the AI agent store, always on the lookout for tools that can, really change how developers work.
Exactly. And today we found something pretty interesting. It's a high utility tool aimed squarely at software professionals.
Okay, let's get into it. We're talking about the PubNub MCP server. So who is this for exactly?
Well, it's for any engineer working with real-time apps. Think software developers, DevOps, automation engineers, SDETs, that whole crowd.
Got it. So what is it at its core? I see this acronym MCP.
Right. MCP stands for Model Context Protocol. And this server is, it's basically a command line server that implements it.
Okay, and in simple terms, what does that mean it does?
Think of it as the source of truth for an AI agent. Its whole job is to connect AI assistants like Cursor or the one in VS Code directly to PubNub's own SDK documentation and APIs.
Ah, so it stops the AI from using outdated code or just, making things up.
Precisely. It solves that exact frustration. The AI gets current, correct guidance every time.
And how hard is it to get started?
That's the best part. It's minimal effort. It's open source, totally free, and you can just install it via NPM or run it with Docker.
Okay, that sounds useful, but what really caught my eye was this idea of autonomy.
Yes, that's the real game changer here. The system has a surprisingly high autonomy level. It scored a 72%.
72%.
Yeah.
That's a significant number. What does that actually let the agent do?
It means it can operate with a lot of independence. We're talking about an agent that can dynamically select the right key sets for a job.
Wow.
And it can even manage PubNub apps and keys directly through the admin portal.
Giving an agent admin access feels like a huge leap. How does that work in a practical, safe way?
Well, the autonomy is tied to very defined tasks. It's not about letting it run wild. It's about letting it handle critical but repetitive functions to save a developer tons of time.
Okay, so let's talk use cases. How does this help a developer listening right now?
For sure. Imagine you need to build a real-time chat feature. Instead of writing all the boilerplate code yourself, you just use natural language. You tell your AI assistant, build a secure PubNub notification stream. And it just does it.
It knows how to handle the key set configuration and everything.
Everything.
Yeah.
Because it's connected to the right docs. But it goes beyond just coding. It can also manage the applications themselves.
So things like creating new apps or updating key sets.
Exactly. Or even configuring specific keyset features like persistence or presence, all from a simple natural language command.
And what happens when things break? Because they always break.
That's another huge time saver. If an integration is failing, the agent doesn't need you to tell it to check the docs.
It just knows.
It autonomously inspects the official documentation, sees the correct API usage, and can apply that to troubleshoot the problem. It's almost instant.
So if we boil this all down, the PubNub MCP server basically takes all the messy manual work out of building and managing real-time features.
It does. It hands that responsibility over to an empowered AI agent that has the correct information.
It seems to turn complex admin work into a simple conversation.
That's a great way to put it. And of course, for anyone looking to find more of these kinds of advanced developer tools, AIAgentStore.ai is always the place to explore.
Fantastic. This shift towards autonomous management is really something to watch. We appreciate you joining us today. And if you found this useful, please take a moment to rate the show. Until next time.